Number 3 is the official FLSUN Super Racer 3D printer. When unleashing your creativity and bringing your ideas to life, the FLSUN Super Racer SR 3D printer is the ultimate companion that won't break the bank. With its mind-blowing features and incredible value for money, it's no wonder it takes the crown as the best 3D printer under $500. Prepare to be amazed by its lightning-fast printing speed of up to 200 millimeters per second, leaving its competitors in the dust. Thanks to the Three-Axis Linkage Technology and high-power stepper motors, you'll experience rapid acceleration at 2800 plus mm/s superscript 2, slashing printing time by a whopping 200%. But speed isn't the only star of the show here. The FLSUN Super Racer SR boasts exceptional precision and stability with its high-precision linear rail guide and three-axis linkage technology. The result? Pristine, accurate prints that will make your project stand out. With a generous printing volume of 10.2 inches by 10.2 inches by 13 inches, you'll have all the space you need to bring your grandest ideas to life. And let's remember the lifetime technical support and round-the-clock customer service, ensuring you're always taken care of. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.